Huh?
What? Just connect it like that. Yeah. Hard.
I'll try. It.
Alex.
Hit it.
Alex, where are you going?
There we go.
Good job, Kai.
No, my doll.
He wants to play with your dolls. Alex. Hi. Hi.
Mama, I got a decision.
What?
How about I have this doll and she has this doll?
Sure. Alex. Uh-oh. In his mouth it goes.
Uh-oh. In his mouth it goes. That's mine, no?
Alex.
Hi, my name is Kylie.